Right, so we need to take these master cylinders off. Obviously, if this was in your car, that'd be against the bulkhead there, and bolted through the top of the bulkhead above your feet there. It would also, or it should have, that on it as well. So if you're doing it on your car, you'd undo the screws around there, remove that just like that, because they'll never be seized or anything, obviously. Yeah, right. And then your pedals obviously down in there, so you'd remove the pins out of them, and then you just undo these 2 bolts there. Well, 4 bolts, because I'm undoing both of them, but we'll undo the clutch one first. Oh, I've got my gloves again, oh well. My hands are already dirty now anyway, so. Yeah, we'll whip that one out. Get our bag of odds and sods. Obviously you can't do that on this. If it's in the car, it must be a right pig to get to. In fact, probably I don't know, it's possibly easier to remove this whole thing out of the car to change them anyway. I don't know. I don't know what people's thoughts are on that. You could get to this bottom one, but obviously it's easier on the bench like this. And that's that out. And that's quite new. We'll just give that a clean up and put it back in. I'm not even going to change the seals on it because all of this was all working. There's no signs of any leaks. So that'll just get cleaned up and put back in. So I'll just put that to one side for a minute. Then we'll undo the brake one. These are probably years old though, but they've still got fluid in them, so the seals aren't going to dry it out anyway. And they're probably better than any of the rubbish you buy nowadays anyway. Because this car was restored, or it's written on the inside of the roof. I think it was like finished in '98, so quite a long time ago. Hence why it needs doing again now. But I'm not doing a full restoration anyway. I'm just doing what it needs. That's that out. We'll give that a clean paint as well. Yeah, I reckon we must have bought 2 brand new cylinders for this. Right, that's that one out. Yeah, like I say, that one's quite, you know what I mean, you can still see all the plating on it, so whatever you call it. So that's them 2 for there. I'm only taking them out because I need to clean all this up, clean this bracket up, coat it. I'm going to paint it all in 2K satin black anyway. All of these bits I'm cleaning up now. So that'll be that. That little bracket, pedals, 2 radiator stays. That's a bit for the bottom of the, what's that go on? I think that's a bracket that goes. Where does it go? Oh yeah, but where the heater, it goes at the bottom, in front of the heater, I think. And little bracket there, a column, 2 of the bolts for the steering column, and the blanking plate for the passenger side, where the pedals will be if it is left-hand drive. Oh yeah, and that cover. Plus the heater box, which I'll get that up in there and pull it apart